Hello students, today we're going to learn a little bit about Google Drive, and you may or may not have heard the big talk in technology right now is cloud computing. And what cloud means is somewhere, some computer or what they call a server is storing your information, and you can always access that information through the internet. So Google Drive is an online storage platform where you can store different documents and have access to them at any time from anywhere. To get to our Google Drive, as always, we're going to start on our Gmail account. We're clicking up here on the app waffle, then on the Google Drive icon, and up will come your Google Drive. And the default is usually to start in your home folder, which is called My Drive, and you can see our recent document, or our documents we're working on here. If you click on Computers, computers are computers you're syncing with, so you can download a program that will store everything on Google Drive on your computer and also sync everything on your computer with Google Drive to have access to those files. Shared with me are any documents that somebody may have shared with you. So you see we have one here that's been shared with us. Recent is any documents you've been working on recently, so if you forget where you stored that document you were last working on, recent is a good place to go. Google Photos is any photos you've uploaded through Google Drive or the Google Photo app. Starred are any files you've marked as important or starred, so you can always find those files here. Trash are files that have been deleted, and Google will store these files in here for a certain amount of time and then eventually delete them permanently. If you accidentally deleted a file, you can always click on it, right-click and hit Restore, and that'll put it back in its original folder. Backups, if you have devices that are syncing or backing up with it. As you see, Google for free gives you 15 gigabytes of storage, which is more than enough for our purposes in the class. You can upgrade storage through Google, and right here it gives you a summary of how you're using your storage. Finally, if you click over here on the gearbox, you notice that there's settings or download backups, shortcuts that you can use here, or help menu. If you click on settings, there's general settings like the layout, how you want to be notified if things change, and if you want to manage the apps. We will not spend a lot of time in here, but just so you're aware of it, there are the Drive settings. And that, my friends, is Google Drive.